Robert with Hudson John Deere here. Windy day in southern Indiana. Getting a new 410R sprayer ready to go to a customer, and I figured I'd do a video over this new piece here on the front field. We now have a keypad on the front. You can do a push on, pull on, and a targeted fill. You just hit the button here. You can put in your target. This button over here will take you back to the beginning, and everything is operational from the front fill location now, so you don't have to go over to the side keypad to do anything if you're going to front fill in the field. Makes it really quick and really easy.